Hi, welcome back to Bio School and welcome to yet another series of social media tips in which we will share 10 valuable tips on social media on 10 consecutive days. To watch all the videos of this series, please like and share this video and please click on the subscribe button. And yes friends, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from Bio School. So what are we waiting for? Let's put on your seatbelts and let's go viral. So the tip for the day is offer something free on social media. Free. Mesmerizing, isn't it? The word free has a great impact in the 21st century. Everyone wants value out of everything. And what more value can be there from something that is free? Even when something is actually not monetarily free, but free from pesticides, free of preservatives, free is the word that still attracts the most audience. Yes, it's that powerful. In this age of social media, influencers have often resorted to free giveaways, from $1 wristbands to a $100,000 Mercedes. If you are a part of a product or software-based companies, you might well want to give a free trial to your customers. Use the word free to attract your audience, as it is quite evident that it is the most attractive word that ever existed in the English dictionary. So that was all for today's tip. I hope you have been able to derive some value out of this video. If so, please like and share this video and please click on the subscribe button. And yes friends, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss out on any important video from Bio School. So see you tomorrow once again with another tip. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and keep watching Bio School.